Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Canon R5C with Canon R5C and we're going to look at what are the main differences. So primarily the thing here is that you have image stabilization, the sensor shift image stabilization, then also the continuous shooting is better for Canon R5 II, so you are gonna have 30 FPS. Also the weight and dimensions is better but not much. Now when we are going to look here on the more differences here, so the R5C got the flash sync port, but when you're going to look here on the Mark II here, so you can have stack sensor, zero blackout viewfinder, pre-shooting buffer, lens breathing correction, eye control AF, the inbuilt image stabilization, then number of focus points, like this is pretty huge. Then also continuous shooting, 30 FPS to 20 FPS, battery life, this is also huge. Weight but not much. Then the full-size HDMI port, pixel shift high-res mode, focus, stacking, multifunction, and min focus sensitivity, and vehicle tracking. So these are the things that you're going to find for the Mark II comparing to R5C, which are better. Have a great day and goodbye.